Dancing in Highland Park, Paul and Sarah Lynn teaching night floats. We start off with the basics, stepping slow, quick, quick, slow. Stopping her a little bit on that flow so we can travel with the next basic as we do. Step quick, quick, got step across her, and then we travel, both steps sides. Again, stopping her with a little bit of pressure on the right foot. We do it again. Quick, quick, step across, quick, quick, side. We open up with the rock step. Rock step goes back up as she steps across the slot. And give her a turn. Quick, quick, side. Now we're ready to switch sides. Do rock step towards her, and across. One turn as she travels, connecting with the other hand. Same type of turn, just with different hands. Quick, quick, slow. Over the head, slow. Now we're ready for the exit. Rocking towards her. Quick, quick, slight press. Free spin, quick, quick, slow. And then we're ready to start over again. Thank you.